Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I am so excited because according to USPS tracking, I received my Cupid 2026 box 5 days early, so that is extremely exciting. I was not expecting this delivery today. So this box did cost me $37.99, and then it was $4.95 for shipping and like $2.38 or something like that for tax here in Pennsylvania. This is one of the limited edition boxes that Fat Quarter Shop puts out. They put out 4 every year. So it starts with the Cupid box here close to February, right? We're at the end of January coming up here. We get the Liberty box, which comes out towards 4th of July. And then we get the Spooky box, which is out towards Halloween. And then we, of course, get the Jolly box, which is right before Christmas. Let's go ahead and see what we got in this year's box. It's always really beautiful inside. They always do such a great job with packaging. So it says quilting is my love language, certainly. And then it says 2026 limited edition Cupid box, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Most items in this box are exclusive to the Cupid box. You will not find these anywhere else. I will, of course, let you all know below what these items are, and if you can find them on Fat Quarter Shop's website. Sometimes they're just in like a different color even. So I will go ahead and let you know down below in the description. Hopefully you can see this. Our coupon code for this box is a free Olfa 45mm coral rotary cutter here. So this we actually did receive in a box several months ago, so this would be a duplicate for me if I chose to use this coupon. And then what does it say? Purchase of $60 or more. We have our foldable insert here. This tells us the contents of our box as well as the price of each item. I'll go ahead and total that up at the very end and see if we saved anything by purchasing this box. And Fat Quarter Shop is committed to providing more usable items in these boxes instead of tchotchkes, and I am definitely seeing that in this Cupid box. First up, we have this beautiful Tea Rose Seam Roller by It's So Emma. This is by Lori Holt for It's So Emma. So it retails for $20.98, and it says Cupid knows a little pressure goes a long way with its rosy pink handle and smooth wooden roller. The Tea Rose Seam Roller by Lori Holt flattens seams in seconds, keeping your blocks crisp and your workflow effortless. Sweet yet sturdy, it's the perfect mix of charm and strength, ready to press on through every project you love. Okay. So this kind of takes the iron out of rolling your seams when you're by your sewing machine and you're piecing. It definitely works really well, and this one I can already feel has some like heft to it. It's pretty heavy. I think it probably works really well. So yeah, if you're interested in this item, I will go ahead and look on Fat Quarter Shop's website and link it below if you could get this. I'm assuming it's probably in like a blue or something. So there you go. All right, I love this next item. I am obsessed with Bowen pins. So these are Red Heart plastic head pins by Bowen. They do retail for $4.48, so very affordable. And it says straight from Cupid's sewing kit, these Red Heart plastic head pins make every project a little more love-struck. Each bright red heart adds a playful pop to your pin cushion and a flirty flair to your sewing, quilting, and stitching projects. This set of 30 pins is cute, practical, and full of passion. They are the perfect way to pin down your next Valentine's creation. It says made in China, but I could have sworn that these were French. Yeah, France. Anyway, these pins are awesome. Go ahead and get yourself some if you've never used these before. I'm sorry for the glare. Next up, we have the Frosting Cute Cuts Trim It 6.5-inch square ruler. This is by Lori Holt for Riley Blake Designs, and it is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, and it retails for $11.48. It says perfect cuts made with a little love at the right angle. Lori Holt's Frosting Cute Cuts Trim It 6.5-inch square ruler helps you measure, trim, and square up like a true quilting Cupid. Cute, clever, and precise, it's the perfect match for your Valentine-inspired makes. From patchwork to pretty piecing, every cut feels like it was meant to be. There is a little 1/4 inch seam allowance. Maybe you can see a little bit better there. And there's these cute little flowers that just make it really darling. All right, here we go. We do have the fabric for this box that is Full Heart Sew in Love Fat Quarter Bundle by Danny Mogstad for Riley Blake Designs, retailing for $32.48. And it says fall head over heels for the darling 10-piece Fat Quarter Bundle from Riley Blake Designs. Danny Mogstad's Full Heart Sew in Love collection is a charming mix of dainty florals, cheerful hearts, vintage sewing notions, and timeless gingham in shades of blush, pink, and red. It's the perfect match for any project, including the Full Hearts Table Runner pattern by Fat Quarter Shop in this box. Okay, I will go ahead and take these apart for you and show you, and if you don't like to see the fabric piece by piece like that, I will also go ahead and put the fabric card up here so that you can see what's in this line without having to look through all of that. Hopefully you can tell the difference. That was the blush colorway. This is the pink colorway. They're very, very close in color for the background. Let me actually just show you so you can see in person, well, kind of like what I'm looking at in person. Very, very close, the background. This is not white. This is a blush pink. These are cute little buttons. Next up we have the Full Hearts Table Runner pattern. This is by Fat Quarter Shop and it is a Cupid Box exclusive, retailing for $9.98. It says, "Love is stitched into every block of the Full Hearts Table Runner. This sweet pattern brings together heart-shaped patchwork and shades of blush pink and red for a look that's pure Valentine joy. We are so in love with this charming design and we hope you are too. It's the perfect way to turn Danny Mogstad's Full Heart Sew in Love fabrics into a heartfelt project that warms every table and every heart stitch by stitch." Limited finishing kits are available at the Fat Quarter Shop. I will go ahead and post a link for that below. So it looks like this is 22.5 by 62.5. And here are the requirements here on the back. I know some of you like to see this ahead of time before those finishing kits sell out. And that is it for this box. So let's go ahead and total this up. Let's see if we saved anything. The total contents of this box came out to $79.40. We only paid $37.99 for this box, so we actually saved $41.41 by purchasing this box. I am overall very happy with this one. I loved every single item. Trying to think what I loved the most. Might seem really simple, but I love those pins a lot. I go through a lot of pins because I use them for my long arm and they get bent, or like the top part falls off and that kind of stuff. So I'm really excited about those. And the fabric is really pretty. I'm not really a fan of like notion type looking fabrics, other than I guess Tola Pink's line was really cute, handmade. But yeah, so that probably, I like the florals and stuff like that and the gingham, but yeah, maybe the sewing notions I'm not a big fan of. But yeah, and the roller was awesome. So lots of great stuff in this box. Let me know down below what your thoughts are, and I will see you for the Sew Sampler box, which is also coming up very shortly, I think probably this week. Bye everybody, I hope you have a wonderful weekend.